Welcome to the Hostinger coupon code channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're already planning to buy Hostinger hosting and you've been searching around for a good deal. You might have already come across a 10% discount code somewhere on the internet. And while that's nice, why settle for 10% when you can actually get 20% off? That's exactly what I'm here to show you today. I've set up a special link that automatically applies an exclusive 20% discount coupon. No copying and pasting required. This works for all countries, shows up in your local currency, and is available in your local language too. So there's no confusion at checkout. Here's how simple it is. Just click the link in the description and you'll land directly on Hostinger's official website. From there, head to the navbar and click on Products and Services. You'll see everything Hostinger offers: cloud hosting, web hosting, the website builder, and Hostinger business email. For this demo, I am going with Hostinger VPS Hosting. They have several plans including KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I selected the KVM2 plan, and just like that, boom, the 20% discount was automatically applied right at the checkout page. One quick tip before you go: always try this with a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before, as it gives you the best chance of the deal applying smoothly. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. See you in the next one.